Vicky,
Huh?
what are you doing? We just had lunch not long ago. What are you busy with?
I wash the pork fat.
Pork fat?
Hmm?
To make what?
Make pork fat.
Oh, interesting. Oh, that's a lot of pork.
You know, homemade pork fat will be much more healthier
Mm-hmm.
than which we bought from internet or market.
Yeah. What's the pork fat used for?
Cooking. Also, we can, bacon bread.
Mm-hmm. How many times would you expect to wash that?
It depends on how dirty they are.
Oh, okay. Just try to make it as clean as possible, right?
Yeah, as clean as possible.
Okay. Hmm.
In the first beginning, I can smell the strong fishing smell, and now, gradually it disappeared. Now, no fishing smell. Almost no. Still has a little bit. But it's okay. We will, put some ginger or scallion inside. Then we'll get rid of
The smell, is
Yeah,
it?
yes.
That's a lot of pork fat.
We need to blanch it in cold water.
Okay.
It's the purpose is to make the dirty inside the meat comes out.
Oh.
After boiling it, still need to wash it again.
Oh. After we bring it to boil.
Still need to wash it again because you already know the dirty inside the meat comes out, right?
Yeah.
So need to wash it again in hot water. Cannot be in cold water.
Why do we have to use hot water to wash?
If use cold water, will make the grease solidify and it will be harder to clean. That's the reason.
I see. So better not use cold water. Use hot to warm water.
Yeah, hot to warm. Whoa.
Very hot and steamy. Vicky, why there's still water in the wok? After you remove the pork fat into the wok, why there's still water?
I prefer adding some water inside because which is safer and prevents the oil from splattering everywhere. Also, the rendered pork fat will be whiter and less likely to taste bitter.
Oh, okay.
It just takes longer because you need to let the water evaporate
Oh, okay.
completely.
I see.
Yeah.
Got it.
Also, you can render it directly. But you need to be careful.
Okay.
Because maybe the oil will gonna splattering everywhere.
Oh, so
Yeah.
that's the reason.
Yeah. And I already turned on the high heat. In the first beginning, we need to use high heat.
Okay.
When it turns milky white, oil will start to come out.
Okay.
But now, still not. We need to wait.
Okay.
Scoop while rendering.
Okay.
This way, the oil will be very white.
Very clear.
Yeah. Don't keep it in the pot and scoop it out only at the end. Overcooking, will make the oil turn yellow. This part contains more crumbs of oil residue, so it looks less clear. And the oil may also turn yellow, you see.
What about the leftover, the crumbs here, the pork crumbs?
I noticed that you already have a taste.
Yeah, I did.
Just now?
Yeah, I thought, are you gonna throw it away?
No, of course not.
Very tasty.
The oil residue can be sprinkled with salt and pepper, mixed with chili sauce, or used, to cook cabbage or other vegetables, make buns, or stir fry with peppers. It's delicious and fragrant.
That's a good idea.
Yeah,
Very good idea.
everything here, no need to be wasted.
Yeah,
We will all use them.
that's good.
You can feel that
Yep.
it turns a little bit crispy.
Yep, I can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the texture very crispy.
When the oil cool down, then you can put whatever you want to put. But now don't touch it.
Yep, it's
Very hot. Very hot.
Vicky, it's been 2 days that we made the pork fat. Let's have a look. What is it like?
How does it look like?
It looks very snowy white.
Really?
Yeah, is it supposed to be like this?
Yeah, that's the color we want.
Oh, I see.